party YouTubers, here we go with another special video. This time it's coming from bookmark.com. It's a free website builder. This is a paid for video. And you could use the e-commerce to create an online store. You could create this website in 7 simple questions. And Bookmark is AI is one of the top of the line right now. Is AIDI. It creates website fully automatically. Sorry about that. So go to Google or your search browser, type in www.bookmark.com, press enter. There she is, right on top. Bookmark.com. So this is my first time doing it, but I did sign up previously right now. Alright, here we go. There we go. There is their AI design assistant. So click on her. Most popular, what type of website you please. So we got choices: coffee shop, media marketing. Sounds about right. And Stout 79. And then you can connect it with Facebook, Gmail, e-commerce. Yes. Alright, let me pause this. I don't want to type my info. Alright, here we go. I'm going to shut the light down so you guys can see a little bit better. Alright, this is a different style of layouts we could choose. So we got the top menu, left menu, top menu here. I kind of like this style. Probably be easier to glide. Sometimes with the top gets a little tricky, but choose the middle. Double click. There we go. And now, what images do you like? Choose at least 2 images that will appear on your website. Alright. Let's see. This one. And then we could choose website style. You can have it fresh, bright, bold, modern, sophisticated, clean. Kind of want it to stand out, so we'll go with the bold. Alright, she's creating it right now. Big shout out to Bookmark. Thank you guys. And showing me this new website. And boom. Alright, create my, see, she did it. Sit back, be ready in 30 seconds. Ready? Here we go. She's doing it. Sorry about the noise. My chair's a little squeaky. This is crazy. Anybody could do this without using any codes. No special codes needed. I'm a computer person, but the code thing kind of scares me. I'm not that sophisticated in that area. I know there's a lot out there that are, but hats off to you guys. But definitely for the average person, this will be the easy way to go. And it's free. There's other plans you could choose. See. Let's go. Check out the pricing. $4.99, gig bandwidth. You can always connect your domain. This way you get started. Trying to figure this out. Oops. Here we go. Type that in. Let's see. Okay, you can choose a monthly. Pay by credit. PayPal. Oh, PayPal. Alright. Close that. Domain. Let's see if this works. Alright. Okay, still if you want to pay, do that right now. And then go down here, start editing. And there's our choices I can help you with. But close that. You can always change the pictures. Page. Media. Always add files. Change in transparency. This is really smooth. It's probably better than the other ones I tried. I just don't want to mention any names, but you guys probably know a few, but definitely this one is really smooth. Design. Choose style, menu, page, footer, link. Do the menu. Color. Oh, see that? There we go. Then I think copy. Could resize it. You can move it down there if you want, or on this side. I think, yep, you could change it by double clicking on it. I don't know if you guys saw that. All I gotta do is 1, 2, and boom. And we can put, say that one right there. There we go. And then you can change it. Put 79 story. Oh, totally misjudged that one. Oh man. Tired. Sorry about that. There we go. Story. Yay. Exclamation. And then always click on that. Font size. Make it a little bit bigger. Bolder. Italic. Underline. Add a link so you can always add your YouTube channel, your Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook. Font size we did. Text color. There we go. And then there's our choices. Hopefully you guys can see this pretty good. This is really cool. Bookmark.com. Remember that. When you guys got some free time, check them out. Sign up if you guys want to. The link is going to be down below. But this is really cool. Then you can hook up your, oops, that color is not good. Where do you go? Text color, there we go. Do yellow. Change the text color, animation type. Whoa. It's a lot of stuff you could do to this. So definitely be on the lookout. Also, I'm going to finish this whole website doing my processing, all that credit card information this weekend. And then my links are going to be down below. So if you guys want to check that out, that'd be sweet. Let's see. Which one looks cool? Jello. Oh. Alright, kind of wiggled. Do flashing. Oh man. Fade in. This is easy. I'm liking this. Definitely I'm gonna sign up and register. Well, I already signed up and everything, but do the credit card tonight. Add that in. Check-in box. That's pretty cool. I'm definitely liking this. So if you guys want to start up your entrepreneurness, this would be a great website to start off. Do your blogs. Pretty much anything. Anything you guys put your mind to it. This would be a great website to start up on. Especially the prices. Those are really good prices also. Because I think you could also add Google Ads also on this. I'm not 100% sure. Don't quote me on that, but you know, choose style. See how that is. A lot of good stuff in it. What else is that? Bookmark. I'm just trying to get everything covered. This is a little long video. Sorry about the long video, guys, but this is a really cool video. Website builder. Definitely, like I said, if you guys got some free time, check it out. Start off your entrepreneurship, and you can save it. Click there. All changes are saved, and click on exit. Right there. And then let's see what else it shows. E-learning, it'll tell you how to do that. Oops. These guys pop up. So that's always good. Someone's here to help you out also. Talk to the experts. And it'll show you page views, this, that, the website right there. I just gotta get my domain. Do all that tonight. I'm gonna upgrade it later on. You get badges. What else? So that's my website right there. Check it out. Let's see what else. Do health settings. Referrals. Alright, so if you guys want to sign up for free 1 month, my link will be down below. So click on that link and sign up for free 1 month. Give it a try. 30 days, 31 days. A lot of time to start up, especially for free. That'd be a good deal. And upload a new cover. Oops. I don't want to show you my personal. I got some top secret stuff. But we are moving fast. Hold on. There we go. And see, got my banner up. And you can upload profile. I'm just gonna put my logo up there. Like I said, this is really easy to set up, and you'll be launched in no time. Launch to greatness. There we go. Boom. Your website. Not published yet, but it will be. Always check the messages. So thank you guys over at bookmark.com. YouTubers, link will be down below. Like I said, you get a month off for free by clicking on it and signing up. So take a chance and give this video a thumbs up and give it a share. And you guys be safe. Have a great weekend and see ya.